Hang.
Ta-da! No, then you take it. Look at the box.
Move your belly back a bit because at least you can cut it.
Keep on.
You're gonna have to talk because you're gonna have time lapse that tree. You should have moved up closer, Dee. Oh no, you can zoom in it.
Yeah, buddy. So we just lift it straight up. Just move the box.
You should video it when it starts too.
Mm-hmm.
You can see your head.
Cover off. I'm going to pull this cover off now. If you can hear anything. Yes, if you can hear anything. That's one screw. Excuse the noise in the background. Two. Three. Four. Now I'm pulling the cover off. That goes there. Hopefully it doesn't fall down and break. This one's tight. So there's the glass. Tempered glass. So, what have I got here? Well, there you go, with the Pryon Enzo 2600 with a 8 gig of memory upgrade that I asked for. So it only came with 8 originally, so it's all up to 16. So it's actually running a Ryzen 5 2600 8 gig, 256 gigabyte RAM with a 2 terabyte SATA card, as you can see there. GTX 1060. I thought it was 1050. Actually, GTX 1060. Yeah, got twin fans. So this is an AMD Ryzen and 16 gig memory. Got provisions for a radiator put on top for CPU cooler maybe later. MSI board. Oh, one fan on the front. Actually, these are filters. Hey, one fan, that's surprisingly. Well, there's room for 2 more fans. So this machine, the reason I got this machine is the upgraded so much. So what I'll probably end up putting another fan there. So these are air intakes, and that's very smart. That's the power supply. If I can look at the power supply, which is on the bottom, open these specs. So Pryon 2600 gamer, Ryzen 5, 16 gig of RAM now. So you got the extra RAM stick there. Power supply's heading away in this box here with its own fan underneath, and actually dust filters. It's actually quite nice. Yeah, actually 1060, quite surprised. As you can see, oh yeah, display ports, VGA ports. So yeah, so this will be replacing my HP. It's actually a very smart looking machine. I was going to go for the Acer Predator, but I went for the Pryon for the similar price, but the upgradability of this is so much easier. And this is my first AMD. Yeah, I've always been a Intel man. So anyway, see how he goes. I might try and pull the back cover off. The Pryon ends AMD 2600, 3.4 GHz, 3.9, 8 GB RAM, which is 3000 MHz. It's actually got 16 gig, 256 gig solid state drive, 2 TB hard disk secondary, 6 gig of GTX 1060 graphics, wireless Bluetooth, 600 watt power supply, Windows 10 keyboard and mouse. So yeah, so provisions for a fan there if I want to. Cabling's pretty good. There's the 256 gig. Trying to see what it is. Looks like a. Actually, I'll check that out. Looks like a good drive. Looks like I got them in NAS. The power supply. There's a LED controller. So yeah, put another fan there. It'd be good. Alright, so I'll hook her up and there she goes. Whoops.